Girls, guess what time it is? It's math time, so let's count backwards from 10 and let's blast off. Ready? Get your rocket ship ready. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Let's get ready for boys and girls. So this week we are going to continue practicing counting all the way to 20, okay? So we're gonna count from 1. We start at 1 and we're gonna count all the way to 20. Are you ready? So you can look right here and the numbers will be right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good job. You counted all the way to 20. Kiss your brain. You're so smart. And so today we are going to... Hi boys and girls, for today's math activity, we are going to use our Play-Doh. So go ahead and get out your Play-Doh and we will make some spheres with it. Do you remember what spheres are? If you don't remember, you can look right here. This is a sphere. Remember, it looks like a ball and it's round, and yes, it's also a circle, but a circle doesn't go all the way around. When we look at a sphere, it goes all the way around. So that's how we know it's a sphere. And so I want you guys to roll out your Play-Doh. We are going to make 5 spheres, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 spheres. So I'm going to make my 5. You can start rolling and making your 5. So you see mine has like some cracks in there, but it looks like a sphere, so I'm going to say it's good enough. So that's 1. Try your best to make the spheres into the same size. Okay, try your very, very, very best. I know it could be hard, but I know you guys can do it because you guys are awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, so I have 5 now. Do you have 5? Let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 spheres. And what we are going to do with them is we are going to talk about more and less. So when we talk about more and less, what does it mean? What does it mean when you have more? If I have 5 spheres and I gave you 2, do I have more or do I have less now? I'm going to have less because before I gave it to you, I had 5, and now I'm giving you 2, so I'm going to have less. So that's what it means when you have more or less. Now we are going to separate them again. I'm going to give you 3 spheres. 1, 2, 3, and now I have 2. 1, 2. Do you have more or do I have more? You have more because you have 1, 2, 3, and I only have 2, so I have less. So let's practice that again. I'm going to give you 1 sphere, and now I have 4. So do you have more or do I have more? I have more because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and you only have 1. So if you have 1, that means you have less. Okay, so now we are going to practice 2 more times, okay? Now I will give you 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 5 spheres and I have 0. So who has less? Less means or only a little bit. So who has only a little bit? Do I only have a little bit or do you have a little bit? You have 5 and I have 0. So I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, and you will tell me who has less, okay? You'll say Miss Linda, or you will say me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. If you said Miss Linda, you're correct. Miss Linda, I have less because I have 0. I don't have anything. You have more because you have 5. Okay, one more time. So now I'm going to separate this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So which side has less? Is it this side with 3, or is it this side with 2? What do you think? Does this side have less, or does this side have less? If you said 2, you're correct. 2 is less. This side is less because there's only 2. There's only a little bit on this side. This side is more because there's a lot. Okay, so now I'm going to challenge you guys. Are you guys ready? This side has 1, 2, 3. And this side has 1, 2. I want you guys to let me know on Learning Genie which side is less. Remember, less is only a little bit and more is a lot. So is this side less, or is this side less? Is it 1, 2, 3 that's less, or 1, 2? So remember, record yourself on Learning Genie for me to see. So I will look forward to hearing your answer, and I will have a good weekend. Bye!